Everyday routines, like using the toilet, shouldn't feel like a challenge. But for anyone recovering from surgery, dealing with arthritis, or simply feeling unsteady, bending, sitting, and standing can be hard, even risky. That's why at Mobile Patient Lift, we have created a simple solution that reduces the risk with using the toilet. Introducing the AltiCare Non-Slip Raised Toilet Seat, which adds 5 inches of height to your existing toilet, making it easier for users to sit down or stand up. That means less strain on the knees, hips, and back, providing confidence, comfort, safety, and adaptability when using the bathroom. The AltiCare Raised Toilet Seat is compatible with both standard and elongated toilets, making it a great fit for nearly any bathroom. Let's explore its key features and how to use it safely. Using the AltiCare Raised Toilet Seat is simple and helps restore natural bathroom routines. Let's walk through the steps. To sit down, approach the toilet slowly and turn so the back of your legs are gently touching the seat. Place both hands on the armrests for support. Bend your knees and lower yourself carefully onto the raised seat, using the armrest to control your descent and maintain balance. Make sure you're seated fully and comfortably before letting go of the armrests. To stand up, place both hands firmly on the armrests. Lean slightly forward, shifting your weight over your feet. Push through your arms and legs to rise slowly and steadily to a standing position. Ensure you are stable before walking away. And that's it. Safe, steady, and simple. With the AltiCare Raised Toilet Seat, everyday routines can feel comfortable and confident again. The AltiCare 5-inch non-slip raised toilet seat is thoughtfully designed to bring comfort, safety, and simplicity back to your bathroom routine. Let's take a closer look at the features. 5 inches of added height raises your toilet seat to a more comfortable level, making it easier to sit and stand while reducing stress on knees and joints. Toll-free adjustable armrests. Install on one side, both sides, or remove entirely. The adjustable width armrests offer a sturdy grip for added support and are perfect for tight bathroom spaces. Non-slip contoured seat. The embedded non-slip seating surface provides a secure, steady experience while maintaining the familiar comfort of a traditional toilet seat. Easy installation. The raised toilet seat with cover, screw-in brackets, and armrests are easy to install without tools. The AltiCare Raised Toilet Seat is designed with you in mind, restoring independence and dignity whether you're recovering from surgery or hip replacement, assisting a loved one, or preparing your home for aging in place. AltiCare has you covered. The bathroom should feel safe, not stressful. With the AltiCare 5-inch non-slip raised toilet seat, you or your loved one can feel more stable, more confident, and more in control, day in and day out. To learn more, visit mobilepatientlift.com.